Hello my darlings! For today's makeup look we got this beautiful butterfly effect, and of course it was inspired by the gorgeous and amazing and beautiful Chloe Jade MUA from the Instagram, and I thought I'd do some lip art. You guys like it? So we're gonna start off with a Metal Matte Kat Von D palette. I'm just gonna grab Bone from here and just set my primer, which is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Now we're gonna grab the Certify the Tropical Wonders palette, and I'm gonna go with Bonabo. And I'm just gonna do a wing and cut my butterfly wing cut crease. I'm gonna do a really soft stencil outline. This is gonna really help you when you go back with a gel liner. You don't want any mistakes with gel liner. So I'm just marking some points where the wings are gonna make a dip, and then I'm just gonna connect them together, and voila, there's our cut crease. Next, I'm taking Waterfall, and I'm just gonna place that in my inner corner. Gotta highlight that inner corner. Next shade is Hibiscus. I love this pink. It does give a little bit trouble when applying, but you know what? All the bright colors are kind of difficult to deal with. But this one is really pretty color. I love this pink, so we're just gonna put a little effort to get it nice and even. And next we are taking Firefish, and I'm gonna darken up my center part of the lid so we got that nice gradient going. Next, Honey Creeper is going on my outer part of the lid and kind of dragging it upward a little bit, just a little tiny bit. And for the next shade, it's Starling. I'm just gonna pack it on my outer corner. Yes, I know it does produce quite a bit of fallout, but you know what? That's why I always do my eyes before I do my foundation, so I don't have any trouble wiping the foundation with the fallout. But any pigmented eyeshadow has fallout, so I'm willing to deal with that. For my liner, I'm actually gonna take Kat Von D's Pomade. Yes, for the brows. I know you're not supposed to use it for liner, but it works and I love it. The shade is Graphite, which is black, and it's really nice. I love how smooth it goes on. It does kind of dry pretty quickly, so you want to work in a nice pace. You don't have to be super fast because it's not a super fast drying pomade, but I really love how long it lasts, and it's really creamy, like creamier than most eyebrow pomades, so I really like using it for my eyeliner. Next, I'm going to take the Graftobian face paints. These are water activated, and this shade is called Swan White. I'm going to be using some dotting tools. These are for nails, but it works just as well. So I'm just going to place some dots right on the black outline. Make sure you watch your hand pressure, because if you push a little bit too hard, you're just going to get blobs. For lashes, I'm going with Black Magic. No. These are actually Rouge and Rogue, and the style are Riot. Then I felt like it needed some glitter, so we're going with Junk Show from Urban Decay. I'm just gonna swipe it right underneath the outline and drag it just a little bit onto my lid, and you are sparkling. Next, I'm going back into Hibiscus, and I'm gonna apply that onto my lower lash line and blend it out and do a little bit like a downward wing, kind of like the butterfly's lower part of the wings. Then I'm gonna take Starling and just darken up my outer corner for my lower lash line. Just do like subtle gradient with a little bit less eyeshadows than I did my top lid. And then I'm just gonna grab my dotting tools again, and that same Swan White from Graftobian, and just to kind of mimic the effect and tie it all together. Then I'm gonna grab ColourPop's Swerve Liner, and I'm just gonna outline just a little part of my outer corner of the waterline. I feel like it doesn't connect because it's so light in my waterline, so we're just gonna make sure that it's all nice and flowing. And that is really all for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And for the lip art, I just applied Kat Von D's Bauhaus and a little bit of the Swan White on the center, Junk Show glitter from Urban Decay, and outlined it with black liner, and you are good to go.